Ginawa ng House of Representatives ang kanilang tungkulin ayon sa saligang batas dito sa proseso ng impeachment process. If kailangan questionin, meron naman ding proper forum para questionin yan. Pero ngayon, nakita natin na dapat may presumption of regularity ang ating mga ahensya ng gobyerno bilang ang House of Representatives ay they enjoy that presumption of regularity. Now it is now up to the Senate as an impeachment court to proceed with the trial. Ang role ng impeachment prosecution panel is to prosecute according to the pieces of evidence that we can present. We are ready to present. And if allowed, and if the trial will proceed, we will be presenting before the court.
Pero ma'am, are you still expecting further delays?
There shouldn't be further delays because the Constitution stated that the trial should proceed forthwith.
Pero hindi po yun yung nangyayari.
Well, sa dulo, sabi nga lagi ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, history will judge us according to our actions. And the public will judge us. The public is what, the Filipino public is watching us. And dapat gampanan natin ang ating trabaho ayon sa sinumpaan natin sa mamamayan at sa batas.